Sunday, August 17, 2025, I was given the task making this Windows 7 2012 manufacturing date Acer Aspire 5534-1121 laptop work. It will not be easy because it is an ancient 14-year-old computer. I'm not even sure. I don't know that it's going to be worth trying to upgrade this thing. I do know that one of the only things I can potentially make this any better. Okay, so here's the RAM. What kind of RAM is in here? This thing is shit. I'll just have to live with the RAM that we have. Now, what is this card slot here? No idea. The whole thing, I pretty much have no idea. One of the things I do know is that replacing the stupid spinning hard drive with a SATA. This is a $25 Chinese, what's the name of that? Fuckwat 512 gigabyte sataIII. I think it's a 3D NAND SATA. It says Pluto 2.5. Do you know that something like this is just about the only thing you can do to speed these things up, along with RAM. I'm going to give up on the RAM, 14-year-old RAM. It's going to be way too expensive to... These kind of computers, if you were to go on eBay looking for parts, some of the parts that you would try to replace will far exceed the worth, the value of these laptops. Meaning you can go on eBay and I bet you could buy one of these laptops, a working laptop, quarter of the price that it would cost you to replace the parts on these things. So with the RAM, they'll try to get 50 bucks out of it, 100 bucks out of it. The cheapest you can get one of these SSDs, this one's 512, this one was 25 bucks. Maybe at the cheapest you can get one for like 20 bucks. So that's not worth it. Not worth going to the trouble of buying RAM for whatever amount of money when you get a whole laptop for not much more. Oh, here's more. Is this the battery? Oh, so that's all I needed to do. So I wasted my time trying to unroof this thing, place this hard drive. It's got like a DVD drive, and let me go around the circle, put all these in. Let's get to the hard drive bay. Is that it? That might be it. Okay. Yeah, nothing's holding it. So this thing is Western Digital. And I've had to reinstall it. The SSD graph doesn't work. But this is a 220 gigabyte, November 2009, 3200, likely the speed, very slow spinner, made in Thailand. So this is a shitter. It was like that, wasn't it? Need to be like that. $512, a little bit of a increase in memory, but not much. 312, 512. This memory slot I've given up on. This very ancient Wi-Fi card would cost a fortune to replace because no one makes them anymore, so I just have to stick with it, live with it. You can buy an external USB card if you have to. I'm trying to buy an internal one. So it's fragile and unlikely to work. That is that. LTSC USB. Shove it into here. Get this mouse going. If it'll install. I'll have to use BIOS. Okay, I'm in BIOS. Okay, VicWatt. It's recognized at least. I'll have to boot into that. Boot priority order. Save and exit. Yes. Let's see what happens. Will it take? If it won't, I'm done. It looks like that. So language, I want to change it to English world. English. Should no other option. So okay. Let's see if it installs. RAM is so limited, 4 gigabytes. The internet is going to be such shit. Let me try to see if I can wire it. Okay, so I've got hardwired internet here. See if it'll take this Internet of Things LTSC code. It's copying. Will it work? Is the question. 1%. It's a positive sign. 2%. It's a positive sign that we have a chance to install this. I'm going to go ahead and halt my recording and I'll get back to it if it's working out. It looks like it installed. Decent time. Less than 15 minutes. See what it's going to do next. Pull this out. Pull out the key. USB LTSC. Okay, it's doing something. Okay, sign in. I'm going to do a domain join. This is for my mother-in-law. This is her computer. No password. Next. Okay, it says this will take several minutes. So I'm going to come back to it when it's doing something. So it has splashed down. Directly connected to. The first thing I shall do will be Microsoft Edge only to download. It's slow as hell. Copy that. Computer slow as hell. PowerShell. Get off of Windows. Microsoft Edge, which is a shitter. Look how slow this computer is. Now, we're going to try and type this utility. So, okay, so all the installs are finished. And now I shall do tweaks. Start with a standard. Disable hibernation. Debloat Edge. Debloat Brave. In addition, disable IP6. Prefer 4/6. Disable Teredo. Disable background apps. Disable Copilot. Notification tray. Set display for performance. Remove OneDrive. Block Razor. Then on this side, we do want dark theme, numlock, show hidden files and file extensions, detailed blue screen of death. We'll run these tweaks. Restore point created and it's on its way. Tweaks are finished. So now we'll run shutup 10. Taking a long time to do it. There we go. Disabling more of this shit. So that's that. Config. Nothing to do, I don't think. Updates. Security settings. I think we're done. Back to PowerShell. Now I shall activate Windows 2021, Windows 10 LTSC by typing in this script. Is this one. Okay, activate Windows. Let's see if HWID works. Diagnostics, let's see if it works. Windows 10, Internet of Things, Enterprise LTSC. It's the correct version. Please activate. Successful. Nice. So the IoT LTSC version of Windows 10 will work. Antique computer. 14 years ago. Fortunate that it works. Activating. There it is. Windows 10, Internet of Things, Enterprise LTSC is permanently activated with digital license. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, it just needs to kick me back onto the menus. Why isn't it doing that? Press any key. Here we go. Okay. I want to download Office 2013 because it's lightweight, minimal telemetry. So this is the one I want. Office 13. Publisher as well. So it says it'll take about 7 minutes to download that. Even though I'm bypassing the Wi-Fi card, even on Ethernet, it's shitty slow. uBlock origin. Besides uBlock origin, we want YouTube row fixer. Nearly done with download of Microsoft Office 2013. I'm starting to download some of the Windows updates. Taking a long time on this 30. Trying to investigate if I can upgrade the internet family controller, the LAN card, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi card. Office is installed. I shall install OHook Office installation activation. Initializing. At last, starting to activate. Successful. Exit. Exit. First, okay, restart. Okay, just went black screen from this fuckwit disk. Okay, so we're in. Let's get back in. So we're still uploading, downloading, installing Realtek Ethernet controller driver because of the extremely slow speeds of the internet. Also installed Acer 5534 driver tool. But that thing was shelling software. I think it did upgrade or update the driver for the Wi-Fi card on it to the latest one, which is 2019. The Acer driver update software did do that. I might delete that one now. Still trying to install this KB5063709 cumulative Windows 10 update from August 2025. Very slow going on that thing. But at least this, I'm hoping this Ethernet controller is now improved. Let's see. Of course, I may have to restart the computer to make that work. But okay, the driver is updated to May 2025. Very latest. So it is updated, but it's just not taking. So I have to restart the computer to make that all reset, but we'll see what that does. It's not going to do anything for now, as you can see. We'll try it again. Reach the stage. How long is this going to take? It says it's 100%, but been 100% for a while now. Splashed into the screen. Nasty, vicious Windows 10 update that was. 21H2. Took well over 2 hours. Still not done. There. Is it finally done? It's been 45 seconds. 45 seconds to open up that fucked up browser. Ethernet speeds now. Pretty shitty still. 3030 club. Let's try it again. Better now. The Ethernet for a final Windows update check. Added to doing a final Windows update. Hopefully this one will show that I'm up to date, and it does. So one more time. Let's see if it's on it. Still been in the process of being installed now. uBlock Origin. I'll need to update my filter list as I do my hopefully my final Windows update sweep. Computer just slow as molasses. Here we go. So my filter lists here. Updating now. There it goes. Updating the uBlock filter lists, and so we're good. I think Windows update, hopefully updated for good. And this Athlon 1.2 4 gigs RAM, Windows 10 and other things. Boot time now. So there it is. 1 minute and 10 seconds maybe. So much improved. Much improved. Let's test browser opening time again. It's 45 seconds. So it's about 45 seconds to YouTube. That's the performance on this very limited 14-year-old computer. So quite some improvements on internet speed, as well as boot time is now 1/3 what it used to be. Shutdown time is maybe just a quarter. Let's test it again. Shut down. About 10 seconds. Just over 10 seconds when it shut down last time. Anyway, I think we're done with this computer.